Hello future coders. Welcome back to another video from CodeRobo, where learning to code is fun. In this video we are going to start with our brand new series of basic drawing, which is a part of a draw course. Here it's going to be a little bit more challenging for us. So let's get started. We'll click on basic drawing followed by mission 1 where we have to draw a boat. We'll be using place pen in order to start drawing, and then in order to make the robot move. I'm going to turn it 90 degrees. After that, use move forward, which is going to help us to move it 6 steps ahead. After that, we'll be using turn left, which is going to again turn it by 72 degrees. With that, we'll use move forward by 3 steps ahead. With that, then let's turn it left by 105 degrees to get that particular angle in which we want the robot to turn. After that, turning it will be using 3.9 steps ahead so that the robot can move ahead, then turn right. Turning right will be done by 88 degrees, followed by move forward. It's all a combination of turn right, left, and move forward. Then once we have moved it, we will be turning it towards the left direction by 142 degrees. So let's get done at this 142 degrees. After that we'll be using move forward by 5. Let me just keep it here. With that we're going to turn it left by 88 degrees. Here, once we're done with that, we'll be using move forward with 3.3 because I want to draw this smaller line. With this, then we are going to turn it right by 135 degrees, followed by move forward, which is going to help the robot move in the forward direction. So move forward by 3.5 steps, followed by turn left, which is going to turn the robot in 110 degrees. And the last block that we're going to use is going to move forward, of course, 3.2. Now let's click on the green play button and see how it works for us. The code is getting highlighted every single time a new code gets executed. We will wait for it to get completed. And voila, we have completed our mission. Like, share, and subscribe to CodeRobo for coding and robotics videos.